Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. Today, I am sharing a story of a 17th century saint Namdev, who was in Maharashtra and who was a great Bhakt of Panduranga, Lord Krishna. It is said that Lord Panduranga helped Namdev in many numerous ways because of his intense devotion. It is said that the fame of Namdev reached far and wide, and finally the Mughal Emperor of Delhi got to hear about Saint Namdev. The Mughal Emperor, who was passing by, saw a crowded place where Namdev was teaching about God and chanting. And the Mughal Emperor ordered his soldiers to put a dead cow in a place where Namdev was teaching. And all of a sudden Namdev could hear a lot of commotion, and he came out to see what was happening. And then he saw the dead cow. And as soon as he saw the dead cow, he became compassionate. And he said that he should do something about it. And he told the people with a lot of compassion that this cow would come to life in a few days' time. The Mughal Emperor watched all this with a lot of interest. Saint Namdev, with a lot of emotion, went to the cow and prayed to Lord Panduranga to bring it back to life. Saint Namdev prayed day in and day out, and on the fourth day, Lord Panduranga appeared and revived the cow and brought it back to life. Everyone was amazed and happy to see the revival of the cow and it being alive again. The emperor was happy too, and he lost all his pride, and he bowed down to the saint and he asked the saint, "Saint, why did you take 4 days to revive the cow and bring it back to life?" Saint Namdev explained, Lord Panduranga loves all his devotees and he could easily bring back the cow to life. And since we all prayed for few days, he took 4 days to revive and bring back the cow to life. And with intense devotion, if we had prayed to Lord Panduranga and asked to revive the cow immediately, Lord Panduranga would definitely do that because our prayers are sincere. Through this story, Saint Namdev teaches us that prayers are very powerful, and with intense devotion and prayer, we can accomplish anything. And Lord Panduranga loves all his devotees. Hare Krishna.